Hey guys, it's King Funny Clips. I just wanted to do a review on this app. I started using it yesterday. I heard about it from a friend about a week ago. It's very effective from what I see. He uses this, he makes tons of money doing this, so he got me into it. And I'm like, I woke up this morning and I got on. I see my points go up, but I haven't really checked to see how much I made. Because I want to do this while I was on cam. But I'm gonna click my wallet. It goes down here when you guys download it. You have a wallet right here that your points go into. And let's see. So I made $4.22 not doing nothing. I'm a marketer. I'm busy. I'm doing other things, but I will be using this app. I've earned that many points overnight, so yeah, I'm definitely interested in this. I will be putting a link down in the description below so you guys can get this app. It's for iOS and or Android. It's free. It does not cost you no money. You do not need to pull your debit card out. You do not need to go through no long course, no marketing course, no, people be selling bullshit. This is just straight up download the app from your Play Store, Google Play Store, the Apple Play, whatever store they have, and download the app and get it going, man. It's simple, man. They'll tell you to set up a little profile like this. You can put your little picture on there, like how people be doing on them dating sites and stuff. You can put your little picture up there and stuff. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, get to working, man. When you guys download this though, join my team. There'll be a team thing there. You guys can message me on there. Join my team. I'll get you guys some money. I'm very ambitious. Like I said, I'm a marketer. I've been doing this for a while. So, when I tend to get into these apps, which this one is, like my friend said, this is way different. This is not like, those apps where you have to keep referring people to make money. It's not like that. You'll be making money off your team. So, join my team. We can make a lot of money. Let's get into this. And I'll see you guys there. Just send me a message, man. It's JD. You guys have a nice day. Peace. Oh, yeah. If you guys want to see, the logo's kind of like that right there. Oops, text. So, yeah, go check it out, guys. Peace.